This is a quick overview of the mode switch on the new GT3. This is the dash that you see. You've got the mode switch on the steering wheel here. Now it displays which mode you're actually currently in at the bottom of this dial here. So at the moment we're in normal mode. We can switch that to sport, and then once it's in sport, that will change at the bottom here to sport, indicates you're in that mode. Another turn moves you to track mode, and you'll see the actual display changes. You lose some of the dials over here and here, and you can just sort of see the tyre pressures, temperatures, oil pressure, fuel remaining, and the things you really sort of need to see. In the turbo versions, this button on the drive mode knob actually sort of is what they call the sport response button, is it? I think it puts everything into the most aggressive mode. But on the GT3, what it actually does is, say you're in sport mode, if you press this button here, you get this menu come up on the dial there. You can then decide what you want to happen in sport mode. So in sport mode, we press this button on the steering wheel, and then you can decide what features you want. So do you want the start stop on or off, sports exhaust on, track chassis, PDK in sport mode, track view, which is where you reduce the number of dials on the dash, etc. So you can adjust that there. If we press the back button here, then we can look at the track settings. So when you select track, again you've got start, stop, on or off, sports exhaust, track chassis, PDK sport, or PDK race with for even quicker shifts, ESC off, ESC and TC off. You can change to track tyre pressures, so it enables you to run lower pressures without warnings. And the track view is the reduced dash. So there are all the options you can sort of configure for the driving modes. Just press back there and we'll go back to the standard display. So there's no wet mode. If you're coming from a normal 992 Carrera, you've actually got wet mode as well. But no, in the GT3, all you actually have got is normal, track or sport, but they are all quite configurable. I hope that helps you guys.